and welcome to Leon's Lock Pad. We've got a very nice lock we're going to pick today. It's from the Pete Restall's pin makers of the world. Very beautiful lock. Let me just show you the list of who made the pins on the inside. We've got Mechanic Dan, T&J's Lock Picking Nard, Randy Perkins, Pick Me 1977, Andy H 97, Bronx Lockpicker, Matthew Wilson, Pickbeard, Paul Lock, Super Llama, West Coast Picks, Monkey Lock Picks, Chinook, I think, I forgot that right, and Andy H 97 did a driver and a keeping. I received this lock from Pickbeard. He's picked it himself and then he sent it on to me. Please check out his channel. He's a great guy. Some great videos. I learned a lot of him when I very first started. There's only a couple of people started to comment on my videos, and it was Pickbeard, Lock Noob, and Stig Locks, I should say, and Hobby Picker. I think they were the original ones who actually started commenting on my pictures. But yes, Pickbeard, please check out his channel. Sorry about the cough. Before we get on, if you're new to this channel and you're new to lock picking, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk. And if you're interested in, like I say, if you're interested in picking and all that picking related things, please subscribe, which is down there. Click that bell icon. I try to do at least 2 to 3 videos per week. Let's get on. I've decided as well at some point, I've had a few emails off a few people asking me to do a tutorial on picking, which I have not actually done yet. So I think it's time I gave out the knowledge that I've learnt off you guys and pass it on to someone else maybe. See the boxes? These boxes are beautifully handmade by Pete Restall. Absolutely gorgeous. Like he made 10 of these. This is number 6. There's, like, see, there's the lid. Fits on perfectly. Absolute work of art. This is the lock itself. Very nice. It's a 7-pin. I'll show you the bitting on that. These are definitely being protected by this one here, but it's not too bad. Hopefully. It does work. There's a bit of a little bit of a hang up on this, but nothing drastic. It'll look tiny a little bit, just at the bottom. But let's see if we can get this picked. Now this lock I am not going to gut. I can do and I could do, but I'd rather someone else do that so I could watch them do the thing, because I don't want to spoil it for people, because they're going to know exactly what's in it. I mean, it's, you know, when you see the key, you know what the bit is, but you don't know what the pins are. I'm going to use a deep hook from West Coast Picks. Get it to focus. There we go. And homemade tension wrench, which was a Allen key or hex key. However, depending from where you're from. Now Pete, what it was is he got all pin makers to send him some pins, and he made 10 of these locks, and they're all in there and they've gone around the world. I think I've seen one more that's not been picked yet. I think it's number 3, and I saw this one, like I say, with Pickbeard, so we're going to have a go ourselves. Better shot than that. Give me a second. I don't want my big thumb in the way, do we? So 1 second, I need to give this a... There we go. Stop it moving around. A little click off 7 and 5. The film 4. That one on 3. That one on 2. That one on 1. Let's go back through again. Let's go for a reset again. A little fault set. And a little bit of rotation. And again. Give me 1 second, it's sliding out of here. Let me get it in there. There we go. Let's try that again. That was 7, 6. That's another 5. That's another 4. Another one on 3. Another one on 2. For another reset. I picked this before, but I had one go of it. As soon as it gets to the camera, that's it. Some more rotation. Let's go back through. 6 or 7. Yep. Let's go for another reset. A bit of a deeper fault set now. No, we've got something somewhere. So that's 2, no, 3. Oh, we've got another deep fault set. We've got quite a deep fault set now. So we must be nearly there. Oh, even more of a deep fault set. No, not 3. Let's go on to the back. Oh, we've got even deeper faults out now. So we've got to be really close. One of these. He's hiding. Let's have a look. Nope, not 2, or 1, or 3. There's 1. Nope. And there we go. We're open. Bloody hell. Well, I enjoyed that. That was a very nice pick. Great work on those pins, guys. As you can see, it's all clipped up. Yeah, I'm not going to cut this. I'll leave someone else to do it. Have the pleasure of that. But as you can see, it is open. We're going to relock it. There we go. And we are locked back up. Well, I enjoyed that. That was a very nice pick. Let's bring this back up. Well done, you guys. As you can see with your names in there, absolutely fantastic pins. Whatever they are in there, I know they're beautiful and they're well made, but fantastic. And thank you, Pickbeard, for sending it me. I know I've done some pins myself on one of these locks. I'm looking forward to when that comes up on video. What I'm going to do is, as well, I'm going to send this off to the next person and hopefully get their enjoyment out of that. It's well, very nice. Well, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and bye. Don't forget to like.